Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send Catizen from Bitget Wallet to Binance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Bitget application on your mobile device and tap on Wallet. In the token section, make sure you have available Cati coins and are ready to send. Now tap on it, then tap on Send, and in the receiving address field, we need to copy our Cati address from Binance. So open Binance, tap on Wallet, tap on Spot, and then tap on Deposit. At the top, search for Cati, and then tap on the first result. Now for the network, select Ton Coin and tap on it. Here, copy the deposit address and go back to Bitget. Then paste the address in the receiving address field. After that, get back to Binance again and copy the memo. Once done, get back to Bitget and paste the memo in the memo field at the bottom. In the amount field, you can enter your preferred amount of Cati here, or you can select all to send all Cati in your Bitget wallet. Once entered, tap on Confirm and wait for a couple of seconds. You can then tap on Confirm again, enter the required password, and complete the transfer. So that's basically how you can send Catizen from Bitget Wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.